Imagine a world where you can use your crypto at over 100 million stores across the globe. No more worrying about transferring your crypto to your bank, dealing with hidden fees, or waiting for days to access your funds. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'm introducing you to Kast, a revolutionary crypto payment card that lets you do exactly that and so much more. Kast is a crypto payment card that allows you to spend your stable coins like USDT, USDC, and Solana seamlessly at 100 million merchants worldwide. No borders, no bureaucracy, just the freedom to spend your crypto whenever and wherever you want. Imagine walking into a store or paying for an online purchase, and instead of worrying about converting your crypto to traditional money, you just pay directly using your stable coins. And guess what? It's super easy to set up. Getting started with Kast is incredibly simple. You can sign up in just 2 to 3 minutes, add your stable coins, and activate your card instantly. No need for a bank account, just a few simple IDs and you're good to go. Kast even works with Apple Pay and Google Pay, so you can use it just like a regular debit card but with the added benefit of spending your crypto. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Kast is partnered with Solana. That means when you use your Kast card, you are also earning Kast points. These points are super valuable because they can be redeemed when the Kast token launches in the future. So, as you use your card, you're not just spending your crypto, you are actually building up rewards for something big that's coming down the road. But that's not all. Kast offers cashback and rewards as you spend, which is a feature you won't get with traditional credit or debit cards. And since Kast is built on Solana, you can even boost your Solana staking and earn up to 21% APY. With no commission fees and instant access to your funds, Kast is giving you a unique opportunity to earn while you spend. Let's talk about how easy it is to use. Once you sign up, you get instant access to your virtual card, which means you don't even need to wait for a physical card to arrive. This card is ready for online purchases and can be added to your Apple Pay or Google Pay wallet for fast contactless transactions. It's all about convenience and speed. And if you want even more perks, Kast offers exclusive cards like the X Card and Founders Card, which unlock even higher rewards and benefits. Imagine getting up to 18% cashback, premium staking rewards, and even airdrop opportunities, all with just one card. Whether you choose the standard card or the exclusive premium cards, there's an option for everyone. One of the biggest advantages of Kast is the freedom it gives you. You can spend your stable coins without having to worry about converting them to your local currency, making it easier than ever to live off crypto. And with the global reach of Kast, you can use your card wherever Visa or MasterCard is accepted. So whether you're traveling abroad or buying something online, your crypto is always at your fingertips. So how do you get started? It's easy. Click the link in the description, sign up for Kast, and start spending your stable coins instantly. Plus, when you use my link, you'll get 20% off your first purchase. So don't miss out on that exclusive offer. In conclusion, Kast is the future of spending crypto. With no fees, instant card activation, global access, and exclusive rewards, it's designed for anyone who wants to make the most of their crypto without the usual hassle. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced user, Kast offers a simple, secure, and rewarding way to live your crypto life to the fullest. So why wait? Take control of your crypto today with Kast.